you want to be in a beautiful community in Calgary? What's so difficult about that? It's only a matter of finding the right home out of a few on the market that meets your criteria, and then possibly having to compete with other buyers before possible interest rates increasing in the near future. And then trying to make sure you put in the conditions that appeals to sellers. Or you can design your own home's interior with this amazing model by Mattamy Homes. The McLaren is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom house that boasts 2,164 square feet of living space. And it actually sits on one of Mattamy's 44-foot wide lots. Let's go in and take a look. Seriously, this show home has so much value packed into an expansive layout. Look at how open this floor plan is, making it feel more like an over 2,200 square foot home rather than a 2,100 square foot home. The 2 large windows fill this space with natural sunlight. The design in this area is both simplistic and stylish to really create focal points throughout this home. This huge island is highlighted by its marble quartz countertop and accented by its white and matted gray cabinets and anchored by its beautiful stainless steel appliances. As your eyes move throughout this kitchen, you'll definitely notice the elongated hexagonal backsplash that provides depth with its rich textures. Right adjacent to the kitchen is the dining nook that looks out to the backyard. We have to focus on this oldie but a goodie, which is the Chevron hardwood flooring throughout this entire house. And now it's in lighter brown colors that creates a streamlined and seamless feel between the kitchen area, the living room, and the dining nook here. This beautiful flooring here takes our gaze right to that focal point of the living room, being the fireplace and wall that surrounds it. Accenting the fireplace is a modern brick-like tile, and as we move up, we actually get that chevron pattern, this time in tile, to provide that continuity between floor and ceiling. This chevron hardwood continues right with the powder room here before it transitions into a funky little 1970s-esque tile. Get up to the upstairs here and you actually have this nice family room space here in the main floor. I really like where they actually situated this family or bonus room upstairs, as it provides a hangout spot for the whole family, and it's away from the bedrooms as well as the living room and down on the main floor. It is super practical and can be multi-purpose, perhaps incorporating a workspace over here, as well as just a hangout area right here. Just right behind me is actually the owners of the primary suite, but before we get there and take a look at that, I want you to really look at the upstairs bathroom that has beautiful reflective tile, just like the half bathroom on the main floor. Also, you'll notice that the bedrooms here, each of the secondary bedrooms have a walk-in closet, which allows for a decent amount of space. We are in the primary bedroom. And check out this feature accent wall, which really gives it an elevated design. I honestly love that modern vintage feel that resonates throughout this entire show home. This show home has a stunning ensuite just behind me here and a spacious walk-in closet right over here, and they're separated. Now to each their own, but I actually kind of like that separation of spaces. Just provides a little bit of maybe perhaps privacy. But let's go check out the ensuite right now. Okay, come on in. Now this is a 5-piece ensuite that features a large soaker tub and stand-up shower finished with textured tile along the back wall here. Of course, you have the dual vanities right here with the colors that actually match the stunning kitchen downstairs. And it also has that 1970s feel to it. Okay, so I know maybe some of you are thinking, where is the laundry room? Now, I like to have a laundry room where you get to walk through the walk-in closet and you get right to the laundry room. Fear not. By the way, there's the walk-in closet. Don't worry about that. Right outside the door here, if I turn the corner, doing your laundry is quite easy as it's located right around the corner from the owners of the primary suite. So how fashionable and on point is the McLaren? Check out Mattamy Homes' website for more details on this house, or you can contact me for some more information about lot availability in Carrington, Cityscape, and Yorkville. If you want to see inside Calgary's hottest new homes, all you have to do is subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss a tour. By the way, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button, and as always, I would love to read your thoughts in the comments section below about this house, or maybe suggestions for new tours in Calgary and surrounding area. Until then, catch you on the next one. All right, I don't have anything. This is my house.